Do you have a large picture or mirror to hang but aren't sure how to approach it? In this video, we show you one of our favorite tricks for getting these large items on your wall securely and perfectly level. The first step is to look at the back of the frame. As with most large pieces, this one has 2 points of contact, and they are each about 7 inches from the top of the frame. For step 2, you will want to position the piece on the wall and make marks close to where the point of contact is for the frame. This doesn't have to be exact, as the next step will ensure that the distance between the points is correct. Next, put painter's tape on the back of the frame, stretching from one point of contact to the other. Then mark the tape at each point. Use this tape to connect your 2 marks on the wall. Once the tape is on the wall, make sure to check that it is level. It is now time to install your picture hanging hardware. There are many types of hardware to choose from, and we went with plastic wall anchors that could be manually driven into the wall. Be sure to follow the directions for the type of hardware you choose. With your hardware properly installed, the last step is easy. Simply place your picture on the hardware and it will be secure and perfectly level.